welcome to your 5-minute school news. I'm Riley Fagan with this week's school news. The next few weeks will be quiet for news, but our headlines this week is that this week is the third quarter benchmarks. Also, Wednesday and Thursday are half days for all students. And the science fair takes place at Utica College this Saturday. And finally, the greenhouse project begins to move forward.
Headlining your school news, third quarter benchmarks take place this week, which means we will need to exercise our word of the month diligence in terms of prepping to do well this week. It also means a half day of school for Wednesday and Thursday. The next phase of the science fair starts Saturday morning at Utica College, so support your team.
Here is the latest on the greenhouse. Our GoFundMe campaign has now reached halfway to the goal, plus numerous items have also been donated. We hope to begin planting this week as temperatures finally warm up into the 50s. There are no sporting events on campus this week. Also, if you wish to join the news team, meteorology club, or greenhouse team, please let Mr. Kovar or Mr. Oz know. Now before we go to Jonna for our week of weather, it is time for our trivia question. Club trivia question. Early April brings as much sun and energy as late August. A, true. B, false. C, trick question. We'll give you 30 seconds to think about it. For those of you that didn't see this question, I'll read it again. Early April brings as much sun and energy as late August. A, true. B, false. Or C, trick question.
What do you think, Jonna?
I think A. I don't know.
You think that may be true?
I guess.
What do you think, Riley?
I'm going to go with B,
I
false.
think it's false. But you don't think it's a trick question?
Because it's a trick question, and why would it be a trick question when it's a trick question?
Well, I want to try to throw you off.
Yeah.
But you're right, it's not a trick question. So one of you is going to be right. And one of you is going to be wrong. The Earth, which goes around the sun in 365 and a quarter days every year, is at the same point in early April in our sky as it is in late August. So we get the same amount of sunlight, sun angle, and day length as we do in August. How about that? Why don't you wrap it up, Riley, and tell us.
Make sure to visit us on our Facebook page. That's it for today. Have a great day.
Rainy weather is expected Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Wednesday may be the only dry day of this week until Sunday. All of the temperatures throughout this week are going to be in the low 50s. That concludes your 3-minute school news forecast for this week. If you have any event or story that is newsworthy, tell us on our Facebook page so we can cover it in our future newscast. That's it for this week. I'm Jenna. Have a great week.